Welcome to another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to cover the wheelchair ramp for the TD925 and TDX. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manuals, guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified professional. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either express or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. Step 1. Before setting up the wheelchair ramp and moving the seats, you must first ensure the park brake is set and transmission is in neutral. Step 2. With all doors closed on the coach and the engine running, press the kneel switch on the dash. The LED on the switch will light up. Once the coach has completed the kneel process, you can continue to the next step. Next, open the doors to the coach to include the luggage bay and the rear entrance door. Once you have done this, you'll see the doors highlight to red as shown in the picture below. Step 4. Once the doors are open, you can retrieve the ramp from the luggage compartment. Step 5. Undo the two straps holding the ramp in place. Do not release the green strap until you pull the ramp down. Step 6. Once you have the ramp on the ground, unfold it so it is flat. Once it is flat, attach the yellow ramp end to the top of the ramp, lining up the pegs. Now slide the ramp into the door and line up the holes into the floor. Ensure the pegs drop into the holes so it locks into place. This assists to keep the ramp secure while in use. Next, we're going to go over sliding the seats forward so you can make room for your passenger. Step 1. Remove the plastic covers from the seat track. Do this by pulling up on the plastic covers. Step 2. On the bottom of the seat, pull up on the lock pins and twist so they stay in the up position. There are 2 on each seat. Step 3. Lift up on the red handles on the back of the seat. Now push the seats forward. Step 4. Slide the seats as far forward as possible to make room for your occupant. Step 5. Now that the seats are forward, use the red handles at the back of the seat to lock them in place by pressing down. This will prevent the chance of seats sliding while in motion. And that concludes another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for Coach Technical Support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.